my name is Eddie Torres. I'm the Technical Service Manager here at Waterway Plastics, and I'm here to demonstrate how to install the Daughterboard 1, also known as the DB1, on our Neo 1500 and 2100 spot pack. It's important to know that all connections must be made by a qualified electrician. It's also critical to turn all power off before beginning the installation. Before we begin, please be sure you have all the necessary parts and tools handy. For the DB1 installation, you will need the Daughterboard 1 circuit board, 3 1/4 inch by 1.5 inch hex standoffs, 3 number 6 by 5/16 inch Phillips head screws, and a zip tie. The tools required are a Phillips screwdriver, a 1/4 inch hex driver, and needle nose pliers. The first thing that we're going to do is remove the lid by removing the 2 screws at the top. Next we'll be installing the 3 standoffs with the 1/4 inch hex driver. You want to make sure not to over tighten them, but at the same time making sure that they are secure. Next we'll be installing the Daughterboard 1 into the spot pack. You want to make sure that the connector goes into the slot. And then we'll go ahead and screw down the 3 screws going through the board and into the standoffs. Make sure all 3 screws are secure and evenly tightened. Next we'll go ahead and connect the ribbon cable to JP12. Now we'll need to connect the colored wires. You'll need your needle nose pliers for this. The purple from JL2 will go to JL19 on line 2. The blue from JL1 will go to JL45 on line 1. And your green, which is your ground, is from JL5 and will go over to JL4. Make sure they are properly installed and fully connected. As you can see, I've added a zip tie to the wires just to keep them neat, secure, and out of the way of the cover. You can go ahead and push those wires down and then go ahead and put the cover on. Once you've put the cover on, make sure to secure the 2 screws to the cover, and then your Daughterboard 1 installation is complete. Thank you for watching our installation video. We hope it's been helpful. If you have any other questions, please contact your Waterway representative.